Meaning of inside.
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 Inside. The word inside typically refers to the interior or inner part of something, such as a building, room, or object. It can also refer to being within or contained within something, such as an idea or emotion. The meaning of inside can vary depending on the context in which it is used. However, in general, it implies that something is enclosed or surrounded by other things or that it is not visible from the outside. Overall, the word inside connotes a sense of hiddenness and the idea that there is more to something than what is immediately apparent.